Hey yo, I'm Hassan from Cool Kids Creative Lab. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make speed ramping transition. To start this tutorial we need two clips. Drag and drop it into the project panel. Then drag and drop it into the timeline. Let's expand the clip by double click on it. Then click on the effect square, right click on it, then hover to time remapping and click speed. Now you have the line that changes the speed of the video. Now press Ctrl and click where you want the speed ramping to start. Now drag it up around 700 to 800. Now click on the marker and drag it to the right. Now we have speed ramping. Click on the marker and you will see the handle in the middle. Drag it left to the right to make your speed ramp smoother. To get a better result, make sure both videos goes from left to right or right to left. Now it's time to add cool sauce to the transition. Make new adjustment layer and drag it to the top where the speed ramp starts. Now go to the effect, search for directional blur and drag and drop it to the adjustment layer. Now go to Effect Control panel and keyframe the blur length and add some direction. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.